The big one. Osi Mahama is thanking Ghanaians for rejecting him. Gabby Otchere Darko.
Okay.
And I say. Na mampanyida da to no awoye no. Ghana for pono no woye ho to no.
Oh, okay.
Oda ho ase no ana. The question na wo bisa.
Oh, okay.
Na mampanyida da so wetima kwa kopiem watifi atoye mantem no mo se de ensu ato wo ho no mo ma o makwan ahodo. Wo hwe district dodo mo wa sesei emu ba 9 atie free district no 3 ho 11.
Asamo.
Enti was rada se Ghana mampanyin te ya. Wase se wobawura a year 47 engineers regiment one mo a Ghana Armed Forces. Wo mu wo ekuo bi wo mo betuma gina o na so.
No ma ya djuma no.
Ya kwan.
Mambeye.
A kwan within a short while.
And now year we see a year of rose intino. Aha.
Mampanyin man adwene mbra ho na wo masa ambrante no. Enkoye sa kwan. Daily Guide obokwa 10 years the big one. Wase Abesim cannibal lured victims cooked for them. Abranti ya ne ho asema by Richie.
Yeah, Richard Apia.
Yeah, post for akofo no mfinsia aduonu nwochi a. Omo hunu se emu mienu de wo sha fridge be ka ho amiye so de otwitwa pass wo de koye kalomo so de koye de onya.
Ya samo.
Na hwemo beto dja se sa abranti wo ba wo ben wo se eja na se na. No ma betime dia go establish sa rapport. Do maybe ko timbe fa ba kofi so ko no aduane ama.
Me wana dwembo ne woni tirim.
Sa pepepe. Uji ni dia be wi ase da ko ba be fa ba na ko no. Fa akoda ne ma. Ti esre uya batan ya. Ebi obi atubata betena wo potem wo aduane ma ne bidi. Na no ka so ade enkoda yi.
Yeah.
Amere no wo aduane ma enkoda ne bidi. Yen so yen wo ye tira tira be mo sina se Ghana fo e na ase obi a family share.
One corner seven hagging. One corner seven hagging.
Because couldn't the person watching a trainer boyfriend ya payment with you.
When next door neighbor now on one of your baby.
Eti ubana kakra bia na bra so mesia be fa no e na omo kobobo park so he wo so de atia no ntrase onyini behwe wo ye
asemo
nim adwene e woni pakro tirim mimi so amese me ma watete nkrofo pa ko sepe carpenter mu a kriki fio me ma me sister akua na wo ye bodwa enti obi atu kan be hwe ma ntebo hodo ma wa nwe fufu a me ma me be soma ne mana kodwom ono ofufu we no otwitwa duane na abeka so hwe nkrofo ma
me be 32
e bia nyini behwe ye etere bi kwa ne wo kire ye asa nkrofo no e free bi mo boa ye but enei unim
entisa
enkade ne ebuza se nya bronku na dokono ko na bronku dokono ko
obi ade ne ho
bro ne edugu nsuom eyam ne abo no amada ne dokono yo enti ase aduane
asemo
e wode da nkoda no a chese ne watimi anya akokoduo akuma nkoda miensa na no kra no mpedifo so mo de bodies ne bankra ha aba ehwehwemu ahu sanse watwitwa ebi ebetuma nipa ba akode ebi kura betuma nipa mienu enam ebetuma nipa miensa nam
badajwa nipa timosumo se butumi twitwa nipa te sese de ade akokọ hye fridge mi yehia na yeyi
enti IGB mo ko na nkra no mo to we kosi sen so de se omo de sa meat no se meat o se omo de ba no ma be test ya hwese nipa ba ko enam a na se
nipa mienu na miensa
enti yebekwaso na afa yadi akire ewo honom na Daily Graphic do bokra tani the big one was say fighting galamsey menace Lands Ministry warns foreigners one more eti yensu ahodo so sensuo no ankobra pra ofen was it said do no aye foreigners o omunya Ghana fo
asemo
kwabra ne ko sensuo ni so wonte kasa bia
ntene bia ne se
do ni man so ope gold te se Ghana fo ne ye to mo hofo na ese aka manfra fo na abese yensuo ni so mo se do no eti mpanimfo de kokobo ko ama wonom na Rose Minister so akasa o se sika botro mo twa to wonom se tifi atoye mantem no mo kwan no wo de befrase aye no 50 million Ghana cedis 50 million Ghana nhyiamudi ekoso ejimedie na se no na opanyini amakwata ede sansem no etutwa na beto dwa se senate ya twa se da bia no wokwa
and that's all
ya de mo ato yes as low as 300 Ghana cedis a month
asemo senate assembly ya kasi ya na de sija pejanity
na baby any sika kodri
ada wa dance ya bidia ya
3 million
was he
senate assembly there
honestly speaking
nti dey na am yes ya ne adwuma wura kasa no mtiti bi ka ho
nti yeah at our age yeah adwuma say if you are looking at maybe 60 years or 65 or 70 years how much are we going home with
and na kura na sika ni mu odu kakra obedu me bi na aye kete
So
Sene da se me be mo ka sene ta ma na se ambofo ajewura ho sa.
Wa feje ni mo ba. Ko no so mo tini kakra.
What the fun dem. Lewura ho a she mbrade. Ako di dem wa pempe mo.
Obenya be wo kwako obi afa from us. Let's go in peace please.
Aba producers me do ni nyina what the entrance.
So mu hia wo.
O say.
My father permanent here. Nothing. Yanko Adom online.
Adom online. Where is that? What do I have?
What's in Nana Adadaye? Nana Adadaye.
Yeah.
Cocoa Farmers chases promise break Fado.
Sure.
Says he deceived them with non-existent pension scheme just for votes. 2020. Nonsense to aboni.
On this same story.
Sure, right. Fifu Timinka, Kasama for public head of public affairs at the Makuku board. Fifu Timinka.
That's on its own car.
I want to hold here.
Oh, Yamanado.
Yamiasi. I can force a madada woman. Yama 12 na mode pension scheme. Eba ya munya vote nuwe na fe rabasa. Woman teje fa hu bi. Fifi.
Enya no correct. Se okase ekuafo adada bisanse ekuafo ben we yemi be the first 1 minute amade amere obuni say ye need ho pa deliberate ade na meye the nti ameka say e deliberate ni say problem bi ayi create wo ye mem ha si obi no astra with social media ana wa kasa no send it viral me asumesi me na homa kofu we say ana me kasa ma say ni pa we say onya yes ne ya Christian cocoa farmers say this why media people say this nipa ba ko pe no kasa the little at least to give na you say if you want to have a representation of Nkofua nipa on do 1.5 million and then nipa ba ko pe etumika say on only position is a representation of 1.5 million people.
Fifi, where Ghana National Cocoa Farmers Association?
Also 500,000 members.
Over 500,000 fuming members.
Allowed people to use the name of other people to enrich themselves by some of these claims. He comes out to say that I represent X number of people. Who are these people he claims he's represented? It's unfair for people to continue using the names of other people to pursue their parochial interests. He is just an individual who has a personal agenda to prosecute and is using the name of other people to prosecute that agenda.
Fifi looks like Unim Nipakrono.
I know him. Of course, I know someone who wanted to run the proper pension scheme, was not given the opportunity, and for that reason, he decides to bastardize the whole system which we are running for the benefit of people.
What's in the background? Why you're saying position?
Farmer pension scheme, yeah, farmer no, yeah, farmer in
farmer dandy. Okay, run it farmers pension scheme.
Onujina for name one run for.
But Fifi say a friend saying. Fifi say a friend saying. Fifi say a friend saying.
No, but Fifi, you share the issues that were raised, whether it exists or not. Aha.
Some of my kind, Mr. Dark, I dear me, a jabo, million doesn't mean pa. My end will appear in Comoro.
Oh, not just that. That be that Dwaso.
And yellow crest Cocoa Farmers Pension Scheme, I buy that day for Adam and Penny, a launchy Cocoa Farmers Pension Scheme, or done the say scheme no the NTR since 1984, a year PNDC law 81. Yadiba Bass, your car said the next year. Cocoa board and say na Emma Cocoa Farmers in your pension scheme. And to name now, so say I was in your data of cocoa farmers. So data no. I bet them Sabria and answer a few criminal. You need data no. It's my penny my say cocoa board the free she be say I the church no kokoko afodi yenya yi sa hyehyɛ na enu be nyina so na etuni aboa eme a church ekuafodi mo enjoy pension sa dubedi ayedi no eyade afiase ekuafo Western South ya church wo nyina edi team no Asante region enche bia wodwo adwuma bebewie wo wie ya wo Western North. But you must say, Adiano, I was here to me a fast track into the M25 and say, a Joda Ebea team no couldn't to be a say. I want the first point of call. Yes, started the process. Not here, pilot crowd knew it to be a say on Monday, 30th of August. I bet you are putting as part of the farmers pension. If you are now, you move to the Ashanti region. Yeah, Western region, the whole region. Sometimes you will say Western North every. Now Western North to crowd there. The area say apart from cocoa management system, yeah, church you have foodie anyone details, any what food and one same in ano. Because system the air starting it, you know. Yeah, true, you know. Now yeah, confirmation say no credit mainly pass messy and now benting creating. I'm a cocoa farmers pension scheme no. Nigeria to say madam waka. So it rolls out. So beginning 1st October, and at the beginning of October, they pension so there be a cocoa season no. Equia for actually leaning down. Farmers pension scheme no. I started. So dia meet committee di hujumano. Cocoa farmers representatives was our committee so. Central Regional Chief Farmer, or a member of the committee, maybe a member of that committee. I'm here head of publicity committee. In fact, even the publicity committee, Central Regional Chief Farmer, or a member of that committee, because I don't really make a forum to bet me a guide better. Quite a fast one, a between about the room, a quaffone to me at Yuma Yedi was him. Now, here way, not obituary for his personal reasons. Okay, but
Fifi be na Andrew sa for no sunti no mo say I don't know kwaya na da no. When do you hope to complete to cover the whole nation? Okay, maybe but my say when do you hope to cover the whole nation with this registration?
The registration, the expectation is by the end of this year.
By the end of this year.
This year, because according to our data, by the time it be Western North, me I cover 70% of cocoa farmers in Ghana. Into the other regions now, can the numbers into it will be easier for us to do it within the next 2 months or more. If you are feeling quite a year, me I cover that is the target.
Okay, I cover for better do saying.
Initially,
in your estimation, yeah.
We said the farmers, and in fact, the data we worked with cocoa board for many years, there were about 800,000 farm households. They say because of the cocoa management system, yeah, church foodie and the information we are getting now we've revised the figure to about 1.5 million. But of course, the bit being the accurate at the time, yeah, church foodie.
Okay.
Fifi, metie wa asem wa onim de oye ya de be konkon ho but what try say we be reach out to the person involved beside the entire oye sir
CJ on the anapay Miss Frel CJ no wakata when you wada but wa unsu nim say one night say me Frel na say wakata when you so me Frel am de achi unfi me but what dab na pa when you boy sorry we be pitri yes hey why hey sorry Fifi then means you are asleep and then I think when we say will be from
there's a man shada and a man so and I'm good
ni pa wa shada fancy better and anyone that when you moye
but I tried there about reaching and you know kasa
uncle also I mean letter and yes I can man letter
you've not received any letter from him.
I don't recall.
Fifi boy from here now, I see.
Like I said, Fifi, I heard of public affairs, Coco Board, Fifi Boafo, and then I'll show come on.
And we see 3 minutes to the top of the hour. About joining a high Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem Newspaper, because yes, Sempa. Many CJ, they were not sure about Dwaso. I am Bonito, and sorry, so the Henny DVA.
Nanka me share Adom online
quickly.
And Sana Fee, I'm
sorry, so
Nafi or the hormone, sorry, so you call Adom online on a pair. Stormboy,
yeah,
ne baba you, so when video be a man, what is your nose? I come in, I come on, no, at Adom online, I'll be just a video, I share a fee. Nigeria, my friend is in Kenya, na Sinini, Jim Ike, Nigeria actor, and when they me ne. Artista na ne je wo mo ho pa wo Ghana ha am say say akọ no pressure album no wo de nam Nigeria wo free ho de nanim be kire Kenya na no pressure album no but Jim Ike and name the favorite artist
right
wo Ghana ha and afei so Pete Edochie obe hunu ne mema
5
yeah
guys 74-year-old man
solid
papa no better do here
solid
atia o adevim
all these are more on adomonline.com and pay yeah
Adrian sorry so story bang and the crowd quickly
sorry one now daily graphic do bokwata no akwata fa yeto so do nsia asia o se University begins vaccine trials for typhoid fever.
Oh okay.
That's a University for mobile moment no yes so man mu na ye no because it's produced locally.
Wow.
Nti omo frasa na fe typhoid fever how man for no. They say they want air try. Nti omo pilot it.
Ebeboa.
Said the esi etie.
Ya me ne.
Nsem wo daily graphic do bokwata no.
Right. I will grab a copy of the daily graphic now for what me I can now personal person faster that can ma Star Assurance your solid partner CBG will stand with you Vodafone together we can Access Bank more than banking latest form
your partner
for life